Casa Gordo Museum. It is a late-century lifestyle museum and the centerpiece project of the Cultural Heritage Program of the Roman Apoitis Foundation Incorporated. The house itself was built in the 1850s and originally owned by the Alejandro Reines A. Rosales. It was bought by Juan Isidro Gordo, a Spanish merchant in 1863. Four generations have lived in this Gordo, the first Filipino bishop.
The girth of the structure is evidenced by the massive stone walls in the lower portion of the house. Made of coral, there are good protection from the fire and typhoons. Huge posts of molave extend from the basement to support the day-tile roof. Wide windows with sliding panels are filled with translucent capiz shells. And these are the
Oh,
so since it is closed, so that's all. Thank you.